So we started organizing dairy show from the last 3 years. Two shows we have already completed. This is the third edition. So we are doing this with the major support from the Animal Husbandry Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and the Progressive Dairy Farmers Association, NABARD, SERP, and other organizations. So our main objective of this dairy show is earlier people are going other states to see all the vaccines, medicine, animals, everything in one single platform. So this was not there in Andhra Pradesh. So we started this activity so that all farmers in Andhra Pradesh and nearby states, they can see everything in Hyderabad without going to further states. At the same time, the entire department will also be there in the HITEX. So all the doubts about the dairy farming or the benefit they get from the government, support they get from the government, and practically seeing animals and meeting animal suppliers. And it is another opportunity to interact with the successful dairy farmers. We also have a one-day dairy conference. In that first half of the day, the program is only the how to select the animal breeds, how to take care of animal health, and how to get more milk with a better nutrition. So these are the first half of the day's topics. Second half, we are bringing successful dairy farmers from other places. Like this time, one gentleman is coming from Pune. His name is Nageswara Garu. He is a successful dairy farmer. And one gentleman is coming from Salem. It's called First Milk. He is an IT entrepreneur as well as a successful dairy farmer. So he is going to interact with all the new entrepreneurs. And third and most important thing is Pune. There is one of the best dairy in India with 3,000 cows with fully milking parlor. So they are also coming to share their best practice. In fact, this year the major attraction for the conference is sharing Bhagyalakshmi Dairy success with the conference and all the delegates. So this will definitely help the dairy farmers to increase their milk yield. And recently, though there are negative things happening, the good thing is recently a lot of dairy farmers, they started marketing directly. It's called, somebody is calling as organic milk, somebody call it as a pure milk, and they are getting the better remunerated price. I stay in Gachibowli. One organic dairy farm is supplying pure buffalo milk for 100 rupees, Ongolu cow milk for 70 rupees, and other high-yielding milk from like HF and all, they're supplying for 50 rupees, and customers are buying at that price and they're enjoying the milk. So this dairy show will share these practices with other new people, and this will be a role model for other new entrepreneurs to have 50 to 100 animal farm where they can sell direct milk. Customer will also benefit by getting pure milk, and the dairy farmers will also be successful because they are getting the best price for selling the milk.